Okay, my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well. I am also well. Uh, Now, our district, basically in Gopalganj Paurosabha, we are in lockdown. So, never get out at home from home. Always stay at home and study regularly. Okay. Now, I am going to our topics or lesson narration. In previous class, we discussed narration and sentence, assertive, interrogative. Now, I am going to discuss narration imparted sentence. Imparted sentence. Imparted sentence. How to understand imparted sentence? Now look, if you find a structure V plus O plus dot dot. V that's mean verb, O that's mean object, and rest of the sentence. Thus, you have see see a sentence. The sentence you think imperative sentence. Okay. How to understand imperative sentence? Basically, the sentence starting at verb. The sentence will be imperative sentence. Before verb, you can see some word, please, what? This sentence, imperative sentence. But how to understand or how to exchange direct to indirect speech. Direct to indirect speech. In previous class, I discussed if we want to indirect speech, we have to four part of change. Say to comma inverted comma, person and tense. But in party sentence, in previous class, I discussed uh, how to indirect speech in party sentence. Now look, said to omit, told, requested, ordered, advised, and so on. Serial number one, how to indirect speech. Serial number one, said to. Omit said to, you have to write told, requested, ordered, advised, and so on. Serial number two, comma, comma, inverted comma, inverted comma, comma, inverted comma, comma, inverted comma. You have to write two. Comma, inverted comma. You have to write two. Okay. You have to write two. POT. Serial number four. You have to write V plus the rest of the sentence. But if you find after verb object, we have to change according to rule of past tense. According to rule of, okay. Thus, you have only three rules you have to change, but other assertive, interrogative, optative, and exclamatory. These four sentences you have to change four rules. Okay. Now write an example. He said to me, please give me a glass of. Now look, this is the imperative sentence. How to know this is imperative sentence? Starting please, what, give, are. So this is imperative sentence. Now, how to indirect speech? How to indirect speech? This. Now look, please give me a glass of. Here, please, that's been requested. So, omit said you have to write requested. Sorry. Requested. You have to write omit said to requested. Now look, I colored in yellow color. Okay. Now I write yellow color. Say to omit requested. Okay. Omit requested. This is imperative sentence. So omit said to you have to write requested or ordered or advised or told and so on. But here we have to write omit to say request. But why here we write to requested? Because please that is request. So we have to write request. Okay. Then you have to write omit comma inverted comma. You have to write two. So now look, we have to write two. Okay. Now look, we have to write two and rest of the sentence. So here verb two after two you have to write verb. So here two and give our present form, then rest of the sentence. But if you find any after verb object, you have to change according to person that we discussed in previous class. Now look, here me, first person indicates reporting verb, subject. Here subject he, so we have to write me. Because here me, serial number 2, that is objective case. So he objective case me. Okay, my dear student, have any question? Hello. Have you any question?
No, sir.
Students. Now look. Here, in that case, he requested me to give him a glass of. Suppose. Here, next sentence now look. Mina said to Joy, don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. Here, how to exchange indirect. Mina said to that sentence, what kinds of sentence? Requested, ordered, advised, or summoned. Don't disturb me. Request. Okay, request. So say to omit request. Requested. Requested or told. Okay. Mina requested or told Joy if you find after don't or do not, starting do not or don't, you have to write not, then to, and rest of the sentence after. Okay, so not to disturb, but same here me object you have to change according to person. Here first person indicate repeating that subject. So here Mina, that is she serial number 2, that is objective case. Mina objective case. Okay, but after indirect speech, all kinds of sentences in indirect speech always use. Okay, so Mina requested or told Joy not to disturb. Okay, have you understood? Okay, next. Now look, who can answer? The teacher said to the student, don't talk in the class. Who can answer? Jayanto.
Sir, can I?
Yes, okay.
Sir, can I?
Yes.
The teacher told the students not to talk in the class.
Told the students not to talk in the class. Okay. Okay. But always assertive sentence.
Sir, I think the spelling of told is wrong here.
Yes. Okay. But in this sentence,
Okay,
another we have done indirect speech. Now look, the teacher told the student not to talk in the class. Or the teacher advised
Ordered advice.
the students not to talk in the class. Or the teacher. Another way, who can indirect speech this sentence? Who can answer? Another way we can indirect speech. Who can answer? Told, requested, ordered. Without this, another way we can indirect speech.
Sir, can I?
Yes.
The teacher forbid the students to talk in the class.
Good. Yes, very good. Yeah. The teacher forbid. The teacher forbid the student, but if you write forbid, you should not write not. Okay?
স্যারকে বলবা স্যার আপনি হচ্ছে 31 কেন
I think someone making disturb or sound design.
আমরা এই যে করতেছি না এখন যেটা করতেছি তখন যখন এগুলো করব সহজ লাগবে অনেক ভিন্ন নাকি এই বীজগণিত একই বীজগণিত মানে জাস্ট ভিন্ন অল্প একটু দেখছো অন্যতা দেওয়া
In English class, Safin Ahmed, you are discussing in math very bad. Next time, I'll remove you. Okay. Now look, the teacher forbade the student to talk in the class. Okay. Thus we can sense indirect speech. Okay. Next. Now look, very important. Raju said to me, let's go out. Let's go out. Now look, let's go out. How to exchange in indirect speech. Okay. Here, omit said or said to, you have to write propose to or suggested. You have to write propose to or suggested. Okay. Propose to or suggested. Now look here. Proposed to or suggested. Suggested me. So Raju proposed to me or Raju suggested me. Then you have to write that. Then you have to write that. Then you have to write that. But when we have to write that, suggested to or proposed to or suggested, let's or let us. If you find starting let's or let us, that is after let us object. If you find this sentence indirect, if you want to indirect speech, you have to write omit said or said to, propose to or suggested. Then after comma inverted comma, you have to write omit comma inverted comma, you have to write that. Then you have to write person. Now look, very important. As oblique as, we have to write we. Sometimes we, but sometimes they. But when we write we or when we write they. Now look, very important. If in a sentence or let's or let us, in this sentence, Raju said to me, let's go out. In this direct speech, if I, that is first person, if I or that is first person, we have to write we, but without first person, any subject in a sentence or any other person, we have to write person or things, we have to write they. Now, here in this sentence, Raju said to me, let's go out. In this sentence, here first person me, here first person me. So we have to write we. But when we, in the next time, I will discuss. Okay, now look. So here me, that is first person. So we have to write we. Then we have to write should. And after that, rest of the sentence. Now look, go out. Okay. Now again replay. Raju proposed to or suggested me that we should. Have you any question here? Muhammad Shahriar Sardar, refer. Any question here? Any question here?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So if you find let's or let us, that is proposed. বাংলায় বলে প্রস্তাব, কি বলে প্রস্তাব বুঝালে proposed to or proposed. Then you have to write comma, omit comma inverted comma, that then person. But how to exchange person? in the direct speech, uh, if you find first person, then we have to write we. Without first person, we have to write they.
We have to
So
write
here me, first person. So we have to write. Then we have to write should, and after verb, rest of the sentence. Okay. Now again, now look. Raju said to, now look, Meena. Raju said to Meena. Now, tell me, what is the correct answer? Who can answer? Kabbobala.
Sir, let's go out. এটা নাকি?
Yes, Raju said to Meena, let's go out or let us go out. Same, no problem.
Raju proposed to Meena that we should go out.
We should go out. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shafrin Ahmed, can you tell me or can you access indirect speech? Shafrin Ahmed, can you? Another who can?
Sir, can I?
Okay.
Papers back side. I mean, at the left side, which is okay, sir.
They
Raju proposed to Meena that they should go out.
should go out. But why they? Why they?
No, these are the persons, not there is no I or we.
Okay, that is first person. Okay.
Yes, sir, first person.
Yes. If I find direct speech first person, you have to write we. Without first person, any person, you have to write they. Okay. So here Meena and Raju. So here we do not know first person. We do not find first person. So we have to write. Okay. Then same, not another change. Only person you have to change. Okay. Next. Now look. Raju said to me, "Let him go out." Who can answer? Who can answer? Raju said to me, "Let him go out." Okay, Diganto.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Raju told me that we should go him out.
Another person. Okay. Now look. In previous time, I told you let's or let us. If you let's or let us, that is after let us object. You have to write propose to or suggest. Okay, but without us object after let us or any kinds of object. After let, you can find any kinds of object let. We have to write how to indirect speech now. Look. Said or said to, you have to write told or requested. Told or requested. So Raju told or requested me. Then you have to write that. Then you have to write that. Then you have to write person tense. Here him. Here him. Third person. We know that there is no sense in third person. Okay. So here he.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we have to might or might be allowed to. Now look. Then you have to write might or might be allowed to. Might or might be allowed to. And after verb, rest of the sentence. Have you understood? Now look, again replay. Here, let's or letters. If you find direct speech or starting let's or letters, you have to write omit said or said to, propose to, or suggested. But omit another object after let, you have to write told or requested. Then you have to exchange or omit, combine but you have to write there, that, then change person, and you have to write might or might be allowed to after verb rest of the sentence. Okay. Okay, next. Raju said to me, good morning. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Okay, same. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. If you find good starting, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, you have to write we. Now look. Wished, wished. And then you have to write good morning or good afternoon. Good morning. Okay, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Same. Have you understood? Only
Yes, sir.
okay, said to only we have to write wished, then good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Okay. Next.
Yes, sir.
Next, goodbye. If you find goodbye, only you have to write bed. Omit said or said to bed. Then
Bed.
rest of the sentence. But after good morning, you have to find object. So here we have to write Raju bed his friend. Now look. Goodbye. Have you understood? Raju bade his friend good. Clear? Only if you find goodbye, omit said or said to, you have to write bad. If you find after goodbye, object, according to person, you have to change person, then goodbye. Okay? Next. Thank you. Very easy. Thank you. Only after subject, thanked. He thanked.
He thanked me.
No. Thanked his teacher, friend, sorry. He thanked his friend. Okay.
Friend.
Same. My friend, here person, my first person indicates recording verb subject Raju. So my serial number 3, that is a possessive. So Raju possessive is then friend. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Same. Congratulated. Congratulate. Raju congratulated his friend. Okay.
Yes, sir.
My dear student, have you any question? This party sentence.
No, sir.
If any question, you can ask me. Because my time is limited, so I have only 1 minute. Okay? Any question? Next class, I will discuss narration part of others and assess narration about assess narration. So, if you have any question, remark that, and next time you will question me. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you, my dear students.
Yes,
God
sir.
bless you.
Yes, okay, sir. Assalamu alaikum.